Most people think recovery means doing nothing, but true recovery is intentional. It's not about stopping movement, it's about choosing the right kind of movement that helps your body reset, restore, and prepare to perform better. After multiple days of strength and endurance training, your muscles, joints, and nervous system need space to recover if you want long-term progress instead of burnout. Welcome to day 14 of 15-Minute Physique. Today's session is a recovery and reset mobility flow focused on breath work and gentle, controlled movement. This workout is designed to reduce accumulated fatigue, improve joint mobility, and calm your nervous system so your body is ready for the higher intensity coming in week 3. Scientific research consistently shows that low-intensity mobility work combined with controlled breathing can improve circulation, reduce muscle stiffness, and accelerate recovery by shifting the body out of a constant stress state. Deep, intentional breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, allowing muscles to relax, tissues to rehydrate, and movement quality to improve. This day is just as important as your hardest training sessions. We begin with diaphragmatic breathing. Lie on your back or sit comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and one on your abdomen. Inhale slowly through your nose for about 4 seconds, allowing your belly to expand, then exhale gently through your mouth for 6 seconds. Keep your chest relaxed and shoulders down. Continue this breathing pattern for 60 seconds, focusing on slow, calm breaths. This helps lower heart rate and signals your body that it's safe to recover. Next, move into a spinal mobility flow. From a hands and knees position, slowly alternate between rounding and extending your spine, like a controlled cat-cow movement. Inhale as you open your chest, exhale as you round your spine. Move slowly and smoothly for 40 seconds, letting the spine move segment by segment. This restores mobility to the back and releases tension built up from training and daily posture. After that, we perform hip flexor and glute mobility. Step one foot forward into a gentle kneeling lunge position. Keep your torso upright and lightly squeeze your glutes as you shift forward slightly. Hold this stretch for about 30 seconds per side, breathing calmly. Tight hip flexors can limit movement and strain the lower back, so opening this area improves posture and walking mechanics. Then transition into a shoulder and upper back reset. Stand tall and slowly raise your arms overhead as you inhale, then gently lower them as you exhale, pulling the shoulder blades down and back. You can also add slow arm circles, keeping movement controlled and pain-free. Continue for 40 seconds, focusing on smooth motion rather than range. We finish with a full-body relaxation flow. Stand or lie comfortably, take slow breaths, and lightly shake out any remaining tension in your arms and legs. Let your breathing return to a natural rhythm for 30 to 40 seconds, allowing your body to fully reset. Today is about restoring balance, giving your body what it needs to recover so it can come back stronger. By slowing things down, focusing on breath, and moving with control, you reset your system for the next phase of training. Tomorrow, we begin week 3, strength building and deep muscle activation. We start with day 15, mechanical tension mastery, where the focus shifts to creating maximum tension in every rep using strict, controlled contractions. This phase is designed to build dense, functional strength by teaching your muscles to work harder, not faster.